we are starting now. Lightning.
वासुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्।
Let's welcome all to the Anand Utsav. Vikas Bhaiya, our GC, Satyan Bhaiya, our trainer, and all the beautiful students and participants who are here learning Gita. Okay, so first is Shushant Bhaiya. I'm unmuting you. You have to sing bhajan. Introduce yourself and then start singing your bhajan.
From class 5. My PRN number is 117555. रात श्याम सपने में माए, रात श्याम सपने में माए, दहिया पी गए सदा दा 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 दा, दहिया पी गए सदा दा 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 दा। जब ही श्याम ने खिड़की खोली, खिड़की बोली छररररररर। जब ही श्याम ने बहियाम पकड़ी, कंगन बोले खना ना 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 ना। जब ही श्याम ने चुनरी ओढ़ी, चुनरी उड़ गए सररररररर। जब ही श्याम ने बंसी बजाई, होश उड़ गए फररररररर। चंद्र साखी बज बाल कृष्ण छवि, भवसागर गए, भवसागर गए, भवसागर गए तररररररर। रात श्याम सपने में माए, दहिया पी गए सदा दा 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 दा। खिड़की बोली छररररररर, कंगन बोले खना ना 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 ना। चुनरी उड़ गए सररररररर, होश उड़ गए फररररररर। भवसागर गए, भवसागर गए, भवसागर गए तररररररर। रात श्याम सपने में माए, दहिया पी गए सदा दा 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 दा। रात श्याम सपने में माए, रात श्याम सपने में माए।
Wow, beautiful. Next, Gayatri Didi.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. So I'm Gayatri Prajwal from Bangalore. And my experience in this whole class was really amazing. And I thoroughly enjoyed it. And I was introduced for this particular session by my aunt few months back. And I'm so grateful that I was being able to be a part of this session, because through sir and ma'am we were able to learn and witness Sri Krishna Bhagwan and understand the shlokas, and the way you all have put in each and every shlokas, and the way all the shlokas are explained to us and in such a easy language that anybody can be a part of it and take this great opportunity to themselves. And to tell you all, I'm actually 4 months pregnant. So I feel very much blessed that I'm being able to get this learning during this period of my life, that my baby is also being able to get this knowledge through me. So I'm like very happy that I'm learning this now, and I'll make sure that I'll follow it and be perfect with it, so that with me my baby is also being blessed with all the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. And one more thing I witnessed is that I was really very happy to see all the children being a part part of this session, because it was so wonderful to see that children are so enthusiastic and are such curious learners that they want to know about Bhagwan Sri Krishna ji and everything about Bhagavad Gita and understand it. And really seeing all these kids, the way they are saying the shlokas, they make us feel somewhere that we are lagging behind, and they are so perfect with it. Really very happy, and I'm really thankful to your whole Gita Parivar that you all have taken this initiative, and especially during this time when things are not really well in this whole world, we are able to chant shlokas and we remember Bhagwan so that he will help us to bring out difference and bring positivity in this whole world so that things get better as soon as possible. So it is really a great initiative. And thank you so much for making us understand every little doubt. I really like my heartfelt thanks to Sir. The way Sir makes sure that each and every single word is also pronounced properly, because otherwise we try to learn without any help. It is almost impossible for us, even though we have like good way of speaking or reading also, yet getting that perfect pronunciation gets very difficult. And like the mainly I would tell my personal experience is that initially I couldn't attend few classes because of my mobile issues. But even though in spite of that, I was able to get this knowledge because of all the recordings what you all have sent us. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity and also allowing everybody to learn Gita and get this great knowledge. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you everyone for being so helpful during all these days when we were trying to upload the videos. Some were not able to do that. The inputs put up from everybody was really helpful. So thank you so much once again. I hope everyone joins back again for all the levels and everyone completes it properly. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I'm Gayatri Prajwal signing off. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Didi. So as you rightly said, so Bhagavad Gita, so during this time, so distress and many people, so like, so go into depression. So during especially this kind of situations, so it's very much, I mean, it's very much necessary for everyone to read Bhagavad Gita, understand it. So that's what, I mean, Gita Parivar says, Gita padaye, Gita sikaye, Gita jivan mein laaye. So for Jeevan Mein Laaye, so first you need to learn. So then you need to teach. So maybe once you, I mean, if you are okay, so you just continue with all the 4 levels. At one time, you can contribute by becoming a teacher also.
It's what you have to do is that here are the jumbled letters. So you have to make as many as spellings you can within 3 minutes, okay? And the highest number of spellings whoever will make will win this game. So your time starts, it's 5:13. So your time starts now. Now, whoever take the participation in this game, please raise hand. So the highest is Bindu Didi. Please, Bindu Didi. Okay. Please read out your spellings.
The first is Bhagavad Gita.
Okay.
Then have, tag, bag, bat, dab, hat, bad, gate, hot dog, Gita, Bhagwat, got, at, wat, hit, ad.
Wow.
My name is Divya. I'm from Mumbai. And I thank the whole Gita Parivar because in these distressing days, it has really come as a relief. I may not be really a good student, but I'm trying my level best. And it's an humble attempt. I've written something, and please forgive me if there are some mistakes in it. I'll just read it out. In the breeze that touches me, in the sun that awakens me, in the flower that blossoms, in the rain that showers, in the heart that beats, the eternal and the omnipresent, who was with me, who will be with me on all my journeys undertaken, on all the emotions that I have rode. On some path, he has walked hand in hand. On some, he has lifted me in his lap. A perfectionist who has planned so well. And so, at times when he could not be there for me, he gifted me with a loving parents, a adorable sister, a soulmate, a beautiful daughter, and energy boosting friends. Every role he carved in me a virtue that has enriched me within. Who is he? Where is he? I never questioned. Will I ever meet him? I never urged. Why would I? Because he is in me, in the universe that I live, the air that I breathe, in me always till eternity. Jai Shri Krishna.
Okay, hello everyone. I am Janvi. I'm from Gujarat, but now I'm living in Dubai. And since 10 years, I've been living here. And this online classes also I'm doing from Dubai only. First, actually, my mother started, so then I also started, and now my mother is in level 2. So I will be showing you the quiz. The quiz I will be showing you about. I will be asking you questions about Lord Krishna. So anyone who would like to answer can raise the hand when the questions come. So here, this link is the spin wheel. I will spin the wheel. And then whatever number will come, that number, behind that number, one slide is there. And that slide's question I will ask you. So I will start. Okay, number 4. So from number 4, I will ask question number 4.
Janvi Didi, 1 minute. So who has to answer? So
Anyone who wants to answer can raise the hand.
Okay, Ansh, please click on the question, Janvi Didi, so that everyone can see.
Yeah. On which snake did Lord Krishna dance? This is the question.
Okay.
Kalia.
Kalya. Okay, we will check if the answer is correct. Sushant, your answer is correct. It is Kalya Nag. There is a story behind it that Kalya Nag was very bad. He used to spread his poison in the lake. So one day while Lord Krishna was playing with the ball, his ball fell in the river and he saw Kalya Nag doing all these things, havoc and everything. So he then killed him. He fight with him and he won at the end. So as his win, he danced on Kalya Nag. So you have got the correct answer. So you will not be getting the punishment. Now we will go back to the spin wheel, and again we will spin.
so punishment also is there. So be careful when answering.
Number 6.
You got number 6. So from number 6, I will be showing you the question. So the question, you have to tell the favorite animals, games, songs, and feather of Lord Krishna. Animals are cow and horse also. And the game was Gilli Danda. Gilli Danda is like ball and bat, only a stick and one small pebble will be there. Here you can see the picture. And then the songs were Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Then also the songs which the gopis sang, because Lord Krishna loved the gopis, so he loved the songs which gopis sang, and also Ras. And the favorite feather was peacock feather. So now who all have got wrong? So now next wheel will spin. Got number 5.
5.
Yes. So now behind number 5, we have the question. What was the name of Lord Krishna's Rath, or you can call the chariot in English? Answer is Nandi Ghosh. This is a chariot or a Rath on which they sit and go. So the answer,
वो आए वो आए, वो आए वो आए, जाते आते जाते वो ही राह दिखाए, ना जाए ना कोई जाए, वो आए वो जाए। हर घट में है हर कट उसकी, प्यार भी उसका नफरत उसकी, खंडहर भी वो शहर भी वो है, अमृत भी वो जहर भी वो है, वो चाहे तो प्याला भर दे, वो चाहे तो खाली कर दे, ताकत भी वो कमजोरी भी वो डोरी भी वो, नाच उसकी मर्जी की धुन पर, जैसे नाच नचाए, जाए ना कोई जाए, वो आए वो जाए। तेरे सामने गीत है उसका, तेरे पास संगीत है उसका, तेरे माला तेरे पास तेरा रखवाला, तेरे सामने साज है उसका, तेरे सामने उसकी ज्योति, तेरे पास पूजा के मोती, फिर दुनिया के नकली धन पर, फिर दुनिया के नकली धन पर, काहे प्यार बढ़ाए, ना कोई आए ना कोई जाए, वो आए वो जाए, वो आए वो जाए। धरती से आकाश का रिश्ता, दुख का रिश्ता पास का रिश्ता, सागर से नदिया का बंधन, से बरखा का बंधन, सड़कों से गलियों का नाता, डाली से कलियों का नाता, सावन से रिश्ते, माटी से फूलों के रिश्ते, प्रभु के इस जोड़ तोड़ पर, प्रभु के इस ना जाए, वो आए वो जाए, वो आए वो जाए, आस्था से दिखाए, ना कोई जाए ना कोई जाए। थैंक यू भैया।
I'll give any alphabetical letter और उसमें आपको घर में जो भी उस लेटर से शुरू होने वाली चीज है, सपोज इफ आई गिव सी, so you have to bring the things, household items starting from letter C. Suppose if I give you the C, so you have to bring clothes. Suppose if I give K, so you have to bring keychains, or whatever the, like the letter starting from key, the household items that starts from K or C, you have to bring that. Did you understand the game? So the maximum number of household items the person will bring will win this game. Okay, so there are B, and you have 2 minutes. Go and bring all the household items that starts from B. Whoever will bring the highest number of household items will win this game. Shashantia, what all items you have brought? Show us.
Ma'am, the first thing is Bhagavad Gita book.
Okay.
And second one is block and ball.
Okay.
And third one is blocks.
Wow. Okay.
Fourth one is Bhakti Sudha book. Bhakti Sudha, one book.
Okay.
And fifth one is a normal book. Fifth one
So
is
you
a
have
normal-
brought all the books only.
Yes. And sixth one is
All
bell
different
also.
kind of books. he has
Bell.
brought.
Bell.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Didi, we
Yes,
can
yes.
hear you.
So I got this bell.
Okay.
Then I've got books.
Okay.
I've got books. Then I've got bottle.
Okay.
Then I've got
Three.
bindi.
Okay. 4.
Then broomstick.
Oh wow. Okay.
Then
Okay.
brush,
Okay. Wow.
and
Okay.
bag.
Wow.
So this is the bag.
Something
Yeah, that's
different.
it.
Total number, I guess 8. 8.
Yes, I have the bag. Then
Okay.
I have books.
Okay.
Then I have a bottle.
Okay.
Then blue color. And then
Okay. That's
bangle.
interesting.
Bangle.
Okay. Unique.
Ball.
Yes. Yes. Unique one.
Ball. And then
Okay.
this Bluetooth speaker. Then
Okay.
bananas.
All right.
Broom.
No, your mother and brother can't help you. They are bringing all the items.
I already brought and it's there. And this board. Then
Okay.
I
So count the
this-
total number of items and tell us.
yeah, bucket. And then this bench. I'm sitting on the bench.
Yeah, bat.
Okay.
Bottle.
All right.
Ball. Brush.
Mm-hmm.
Band.
Be
Blue.
quick. Be quick. Yes.
Blue.
Okay.
Black. Balloon. Book.
All right. Yes.
Brinjal.
All right.
Bag. Bag.
Okay. Okay.
And these are some baskets. Didi, can you see baskets?
Yes, baskets.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Then
Basket.
I have, there is book, and I have a Bluetooth speaker, brush,
Okay.
battery, small battery.
Okay.
This is a bell. Then I have a box and a banana. I have biscuits. Then I have a bowl, small bowl. Then there is this Bhagavad Gita book from B.
Okay. Okay.
I have this belt.
All right.
There is a bed sheet.
Okay.
This bag
Okay.
and this beer, small beer.
Okay.
I have this showpiece of a buffalo.
Okay. It's not buffalo, it's bull.
Oh, I wanted to say bull. I'm sorry. And this is again a paper cloth bag, jute bag. So and I have this
We
broom
cannot
also.
count bag twice. We can't count bag twice. Bindu Didi, you're not audible. Please unmute yourself. Bindu Didi.
Bindu Didi, you need to unmute.
Bindu Didi, 16 items.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Sunflower oil, soap, spoon, shower cap, smartwatch, sharpener, soap, shuttlecock, scissors, sauce, strainer, socks,
Okay.
sandals, shoes, shirt, shuttle,
Okay.
skipping rope.
Wow. We have smart students in our class. Huh?
It's a prayer the name of the song is O Palanhare from the film.
Didi, please
Laga.
introduce yourself first. Yes, introduce
Yeah,
yourself first and then start singing.
I'm Jaya Nair, and I enjoyed the whole thing, the classes. Now I have to read the 15th chapter to get ready for the video. But in the meanwhile, I've started learning this song. It was just yesterday I decided to join this. I hope I do well. Okay.
All the best.
O Palanhare, Nirugun aur न्यारे, O Palanhare, Nirugun aur न्यारे, तुम्हारे बिन हमरा कोनो नाही, हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, तुम्हारे बिन हमरा कोनो नाही, तुम्हें हमका हो संभाले, तुम्हें हमरे रखवाले, तुम्हारे बिन हमरा कोनो नाही, चंदा में तुम्ही तो भरे हो चांदनी, सूरज में उजाला तुम्ही से, ये गगन है मगन, तुम्ही तो दिए हो सितारे, भगवन ये जीवन तुम ही न सवारोगे तो क्या कोई सवारे, ओ पालनहारे, निर्गुण और न्यारे, तुम्हारे बिन हमरा कोनो नाही, हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, तुम्हारे बिन हमरा कोनो नाही.
Very melodious song, Didi. Very nice.
Wow. Very melodious. So the next is Riyansh Bhaiya. He will be playing the role of magician. So Riyansh Bhaiya, please raise your hand.
Shri Krishna, good morning, good evening everyone. I am Riyansh Bhaiya. I live in Pune. Thanks Gita Parivar for giving me this opportunity. Today I will show you a small illustration. Illusion. ये देखिए, ये देखिए, ये कहाँ से बनी फटी चुन्नी. मैं गले से बिना पसीने निकाल के खाऊंगा. फिर मैजिक के साथ. अरे मैं तो इसमें मैजिक डालना भूल गया. अभी देखिए. 1 2 3 हो गया मैजिक. देखा हो गया.
Wow.
जय श्री कृष्णा. हैव अ गुड
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Didi.
I'm Rekha Gandhi from Mumbai. I want to share my experience with you. Before joining this class, I was informally introduced to this Gita Adhyayas and all, but I could not recite. Then Satyanji taught us how to break the words and recite with proper pronunciations. And now what happens throughout the day, one or other shloka, it runs behind the back of my head, it runs. And in Hindi, I'll say that कोई ना कोई श्लोक गूंजता रहता है दिमाग में, I mean, कानों में. So, and I try to find out the meaning which you have given in this. So I try to find out the meaning and I try to learn like that. And also I'm able to keep my negative thoughts away. So I'm very blessed, I'm very much blessed and thankful and grateful to you all. Thank you very much.
Am I Ekta Tank?
Yes, Namaste Didi.
Jai Shri Krishna Didi.
Namaste, Jai Shri Krishna, Sapna Didi and Satyendra. Very nice. I'm so happy to see you all. And it's a wonderful session going on today. Sapna Didi, I'm very impressed of your kind of computer skills, I would say. All these IT skills is so perfect on time. Satyen sir, you are very nice and I enjoyed all your sessions. All from the first day itself, we got the concept clear, and I like the concept of kind of referring everybody as Didi and Bhaiya. And this is something which is very unique. Otherwise, it's you usually say names, Mr. or Mrs., and it's very nice to have Didi and Bhaiya. So thank you very much. I'm going to sing a song today on Krishna. It's called More Naino Mein Bas Gaye Nandalal Re. So again, my name is Ekta Tank. So I'll just start the song. More naino mein bas gayo nandalal re. More naino mein bas gayo nandalal re. Mohe नींद ना आए मैं का करूँ रे मोहे नींद ना आए मैं का करूँ रे मोरे नैनों में बस गयो नंदलाल रे मोरे नैनों में बस गयो नंदलाल रे हो कैसो जादू कियो श्याम मन मोहलियो है कैसो जादू कियो श्याम मन मोहलियो है जहाँ देखूं वहाँ राधा संग लियो है जहाँ देखूं वहाँ राधा संग लियो है श्याम बंसी हो श्याम बंसी बजाए ऐसी प्यारी प्यारी रे श्याम बंसी बजाए ऐसी प्यारी प्यारी रे मोहे नींद ना आए मैं का करूँ रे मोहे नींद ना आए मैं का करूँ रे मोरे नैनों में बस गयो नंदलाल रे मोरे नैनों में बस गयो नंदलाल रे. Thank you everyone. Namaste.
Very beautiful,
Very nice.
very melodious.
My name is Kartiki. Today I am going to sing a bhajan. The name of the bhajan is Yugalashtakam. Krishna Prema Mai Radha Radha Prema Mai Mayohari Jivane Nadhane Nityam Radha Krishna Gatir Mama Krishnaya Sadravinam Radha Radhayasya Dravinam हरि जीवने न धने नित्यं राधा कृष्ण गतिर्मम कृष्ण प्राणमयी राधा राधा प्राणमयो हरि जीवने न धने नित्यं राधा कृष्ण गतिर्मम कृष्ण द्रवमयी राधा राधा द्रवमयो हरि जीवने न धने नित्यं राधा कृष्ण गतिर्मम कृष्ण गेहे स्थिता राधा राधा गेहे स्थिता हरि जीवने न धने नित्यं राधा कृष्ण गतिर्मम कृष्ण चित्त स्थिता राधा राधा चित्त स्थिता हरि जीवने न धने नित्यं राधा कृष्ण गतिर्मम नीलाम्बरधर राधा पीताम्बरधर कृष्ण जीवने न धने नित्यं राधा कृष्ण गतिर्मम वृन्दावनेश्वरी राधा कृष्ण वृन्दावनेश्वर जीवने न धने नित्यं राधा कृष्ण गतिर्मम कृष्ण प्रेममयी राधा राधा प्रेममयो हरि जीवने न धने नित्यं राधा कृष्ण गतिर्मम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Jai Shri Krishna to all Gita Premis. I am extremely happy to greet you all on this wonderful occasion of Anand Utsav. Our L1 is completing now, and now we are the authentic student of Bhagavad Gita. We have completed level 1. We will proceed to level 2. Nobody should be left behind. Be careful. We are so fortunate that Lord graced us with such blessings we cannot expect. Bhagavad Gita is the scripture which is unmatched to any other in the world, where Lord Himself guaranteed that you will reach to me if you will follow Bhagavad Gita. In chapter 18, verses 68 and 69, Lord Krishna guaranteed it. Ya imam paramam guhyam madbhakteshva vidasyati bhaktim mai parankritva mame veshyatya sanshayah. Mame veshyatya asanshayah. Asanshayah. Undoubtedly. Guaranteed. If anybody walks on the path of Gita, he will reach to me. And he didn't stop here. In 69, he said, who will spread this message? Who will teach Gita? He will be my most favorite one. We have such a wonderful opportunity with us. We shouldn't leave it for any matter. Whatever comes, whatever it takes, we shouldn't stop until we reach to the final destination of completing 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. In level 1, it was a playgroup type class. We were told alphabets, ka, kha, ga, gha. We were told anuswar, visarga, hrisva, dirgha. And now you have been asked to make a video that read the chapter and make the video. You all are so happy. Wow, so easy. But don't forget, it is only playgroup thing. You are not going to get it further in level 2 or something. There you will be asked to learn it by your heart. It is not compulsory though, but we expect that everyone should try to do this. Because memorizing it and having Bhagavad Gita in our heart, it makes us complete. I wish you all the best for all your journey. I just wish that nobody should be left behind. With the grace of Gita Mata, we all will be fortunate to have a very happy, peaceful, and successful life. I pray to Lord Krishna for me and all of you. Together, we can walk on this wonderful path of Bhagavad Gita and experience the divine experience in our life. Thank you all. Jai Shri Krishna.
I am Sapna. I am from Madhya Pradesh, and I am a jewelry designer and a diamond trader. I'm 25 years old, and I love Bhagavad Gita since childhood, and I love learning that, and each and every shloka. I'm participating in exams also of Bhagavad Gita. Hope you all also participate and learn complete Bhagavad Gita. Satyendra, now it's your turn.
Yeah. So I am native of Salem, Tamil Nadu. So settled in Bangalore. I did all my schoolings and engineering in Karnataka itself. So coming to my profession, I am an IT professional working in an MNC as an engagement manager. So since lockdown has been a blessing for me. So I was able to attend so many online classes on Sanskrit and Hindu mythologies. So in November, I was introduced to Gita Parivar from one of the Sanskrit group. Then I joined L1 in January. I completed L2. Currently, I am in L3. So my motto is like, so if I get something free of cost, I need to give it in back something return. So we say that Runa, so debt. So recently my parents also, they got vaccinated free of cost from government. So immediately after coming to home, so I transferred 500 rupees to PM CARES Fund. Similarly, so here in L1, so when I used to think, so Gita Parivar is teaching us Gita free of cost. So what we can do in return. So then I decided, so I was not knowing so that we need to memorize for becoming a trainer and all. So when I was in L2, I came to know. So then within a week's time, so I had to memorize all the 3 chapters. I need to thank all the participants and the small kids, very highly disciplined kids and highly cultured kids. I need to thank their parents for good parenting.
योगेशं सच्चिदानन्दं वासुदेवं व्रजप्रियं धर्मसंस्थापकं वीरं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं
कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं
Jai Shri Krishna all. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
So we